We've been using Configure One for about 3.5 years. We started in January of 2017. At the time, we were changing our ERP, and we were looking for someone to partner with that would integrate with that natively, and we found that Configure One was the best option. Configure One has supported us by giving us ongoing training. Whenever we have someone new join the organization and we want to bring them up to speed, it's something that they're very capable and very willing to help us out with. We have weekly meetings to talk about what is new in Configure One, what's on the horizon. And as our needs change, we like to brainstorm ideas with Configure One, and they help us plan for what we want to do in the future. The most valuable part of Configure One training was leaving the training sessions with something that you're actually going to use in your own company and with your own products. It's great to go to a company and have them teach you how to use their software, but spending part of that time and part of those days applying that knowledge to what you're actually going to use when you leave is extremely valuable. Configure One has really helped us with accuracy. We used to have a lot of manual processes. We used to move data from one system to another. And by reducing those steps and giving us the tools we need to program something so we get the same results every time, our accuracy improved, which leads to fewer returns of material and more satisfied customers. We have less manual entry. We have fewer processes. We have better accuracy. And we're able to give our entry-level users expert-level knowledge that allows us to build things with confidence where we couldn't do that before.